Hi there, this is Sven Frizzell with the Reynolds team of Compass in Vero Beach, Florida. Top 3 reasons to consider a new construction home. Number 1, less maintenance. Everything is new. From the appliances to the AC to the roof, everything in the home is less likely to need repairs. Taking care of home repairs can be costly and time-consuming. New construction homes offer a low-maintenance lifestyle that allows you to enjoy your home with less stress. 2, increased energy efficiency. Energy-efficient homes are beneficial for you as the homeowner and for the environment. Homes today have stricter standards for energy efficiency than older homes. These standards include airtight building envelope, properly installed insulation, and Energy Star windows and doors. These features help to improve your comfort and reduce your utility bills, so you will be saving money and minimizing your impact on the environment. Number 3, ability to personalize. Most builders offer the opportunity to personalize home features. Personalization may include options such as the number of bedrooms and baths, the option to upgrade appliances, change finish choices, and much more. If you love the latest technology and want your home to include smart features, new construction may be a better option for you. Building a new home offers the ability to include sophisticated wiring that may be needed for advanced home technology, including security, monitoring, lighting control systems, and sound. If you prefer to have your home customized prior to moving in, then new home construction may be the right choice for you. Subscribe to our channel for new videos every week and comment below if you prefer a new construction home or a pre-existing home. This is Sven Frizzell from the Reynolds team of Compass, wishing you a great day.